Hello, it's Marta here from Craftingnatura, and in this video you will learn how to extend the length of a pair of pants. Not saying this is my case, but if you originally had pants that were too long and you decided to cut, and you end up cutting too much, this might be your tutorial. Start by flipping inside out your piece of fabric and pinning it to the bottom of the pants, right size facing. I recommend basting the part I'm pointing at, try it on, and then sew. Fit the leftover fabric inside the pants leg and pin again. Now sew. Flip it inside out to cut the extra fabric. Leave some space to stitch the edge so it doesn't fray. Here you see how it looks.